Hi, it's PS Taro. Hello, Capricorn placement. This is your general and checking ng iyong current situation when it comes to love this mid-April. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, yung ating protection from evil eye, yung ating love bracelet, yung ating granter necklace, and si cord cut. So, yeah, message lang po, no? And again, don't forget rin na i-follow, subscribe yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay? So, love letter and rescue animals. So, yeah. So, let's start the reading for you, Capricorn. Capricorn placements. Let's see. Okay, what's for you in general? This mid-April, Capricorn. Ooh. What's your fave? What is your fave? Chararan! The Ten of Pentacles. O, diba? Ten of Pentacles. What's with that? Ooh. Oh, the Wheel of Fortune. Your money. This is stability. I think this is like you'll get the best of both worlds. Love, money. You're in the right direction, Capricorn. Kung ikaw itong alam mong may ginagawa ka, hindi ko sinasabihan yung mga nakahiga lang dyan, ay nasa the right direction ako, okay. No, that's BS. Wag tayong ano. Okay? So, Ten of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, diba? I-lock natin yan. I-claim na natin yan. Status is going up. Money is going up. Love is going up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. That's good. Some of you, universe will challenge you. Yeah. May mga ibibigay sa yung challenge sa universe kasi ikaw itong parang kailangan mo nang mag-level up. Okay? Ganun po talaga. Pahirap ng pahirap. Hindi po ba? Hindi pwedeng magle-level. See, the Ten of Wands. The Magician. Okay? Hindi pwedeng andyan ka lang. Like, hello, gusto mo mag-level up tapos ganyan ka lang? Hindi pwede. Parang ganun. So, kung ano man yung mga challenges na nasa paligid, kung ano mang mga issue, yeah. Kailangan nyo lang lagpasan. This is the right time talaga na pwedeng i-level up ka na ni universe. Ni universe pagdating sa love, pera, in general. What else? Some of you, you'll get this like unexpected big amount of money. Yeah. What? The Nine of Pentacles. This is abundance. Wow. Kapag absent si Ten of Pentacles si Nine of Pentacles, no? Pero pareho silang present ngayon. Okay? Meron din dito sinasabi na just be patient. Okay? Be patient. Yung mga single dyan, yeah, here they come. Mga sidecar nyo. Oo. Nine of Pentacles. What's with this? Hindi ko kukunin to. Okay, ano tong Nine of Pentacles? What's with this? Eight of Pentacles. Some of you, andyan na yung like energy ng boredom kasi parang stuck pagdating sa work. Hindi na lamierda. Work, business, hindi na makapag tawag dyan, yung makagala man lang. What's with that 9 of Pentacles? The 8 of Wands. Yung pera mo talaga, ang galing, ang ganda, it's going up. Puro pera to. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, there's this communication na pwedeng mangyari or connection if you're single. Okay? If you're single. This is nice. Yung iba sa inyo lalabas, makikipag-date, kikilala, mga ganyan. Ano ba tong 8 of Wands? An offer, some of you. Pwedeng dumating a message. Yeah, the 8 of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo sabihin nating time freeze o muna pagdating sa work, pagdating sa kaperahan. Parang ganyan. And ikaw itong magta-travel. The King of Pentacles. Some of you, while naka-leave ka, ongoing, no? Oo, ongoing. I don't know if you have business online. Rating yung mga transaction, yung mga payments, whatsoever. Okay? So, what else? Be careful. Okay? Andyan na yung star kanina na naka-reversed. Meaning to say, meron pa kailangan i-heal sa situation. Even though, yeah, maganda yung pamemera whatsoever, meron pa rin konti. Okay? Think. So, what else for you, Capricorn? Ang gaganda ng ngiti. Ng mga Capricorn. Basta ganito. Anyway, hindi naman tayo magre-read lang ng wala lang, no? Hindi naman lalabas tong mga to ng wala lang din. 'Di ba? Kahit simulan nyo Aries hanggang Sagittarius, walang lalabas na ganito. Yung alam mong gusto mo, yes, hindi siya nalabas. I don't know why. The Moon in reversed. The King of Cups. So here it comes. Here they come. The love offer. Somebody is craving for you. Could be a Pisces or water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah. What's with them? What's with them? Who's this King of Cups? They're like hiding, like secretly in love with you. They're hiding. Who is this King of Cups? Yeah, the 8 of Swords. They're hiding. Some of them may chance holding back. Kung ano man to, andun yung energy na parang tago. Nakakakuha ko ng maraming energy from this person. I don't know if this is talking about one person only. Parang meron pang iba. Yes. Yeah, see? The Knight of Wands. They're into you. Somebody's into you. Pero I feel like takot. Or they don't know how to approach you. Okay? They're like hand-tied. Yeah. You'll see them like acting aloof, nervous whenever you're around. Silent. Yeah, the Fool, the Ace of Wands. Some of you, I'm seeing here travel. Okay, I'm seeing here travel. Gastos. Pagdating sa travel. Anyway, so there, somebody's thinking of you. Maybe a person from the past, or maybe a current person who's into you. They're like, yeah, you're in their mind, renting in their mind, living in their mind rent free, something like that. Anyway, hang on, sandali lang po ha, ng kauntian. Okay, so let's see. May chance na may mag-express ng emotion sa'yo kasi hindi na nila kaya yung lungkot. May mga i-express sa'yo. So, what's for you naman pagdating sa situation ninyo in love? So, anong meron? Capricorn, mid-April. Anong situation ninyo, Capricorn? In love. Anong situation ninyo? Six of Swords. Gusto mo na ng kaayusan, no? Or papunta ka na sa kaayusan pagdating sa love. Yeah, the devil in reverse. This is you. Like, turning back, or turning your back from negative energies, negative situations, negative people, in general, lumalayo ka dito sa tower na pag-iba. Okay? I don't know kung ikaw itong open talaga sa love sa ngayon. Kasi parang nakatalikod ka and mas pinipili mong mas maging okay. Yeah, the Three of Cups is here in reverse. I don't know kung ikaw itong open sa dating. Kasi parang hindi. Are you? Are you? Let's see. So, kung ikaw, siguro, pipili ka, yeah, gusto mo yung hindi toxic kasi gusto mo nga na maging okay ka eh. No? Andun ka na sa direction na okay ako, okay na ako dito. Sa kung ano man. Pero kung may darating months, pero yeah, sana okay rin. Something like that. Yeah, the Two of Cups in reverse. Hindi ka talaga, open muna sa love. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Ano ka, nonchalant? Oh, you're like, too cold and detached. No time for connection, no time for relationship whatsoever. Yeah, the Knight of Cups. Some of you, nakakita talaga ako ng you are rejecting people. Are you rejecting people? Rejecting connections? So, anong meron dito? Kasi pwedeng lumalayo ka. So, meaning to say, some of you, merong kumukonek. Or merong gustong kumonek. So, let's see. Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron? The Tower. A Scorpio? Okay, a Scorpio. I don't know kung ito ay past person or what. Current? Siguro talagang you're healing. Some of you're healing. Kita mo kanina, di ba lumabas tong si Tower? And sabi ko, lumalayo ka dito. So, nilalayuan mo nga talaga yung person. Ito yung energy ng person. The Tower. What? Let's see, what's with this Tower? Temperance. Wow. Could be a Scorpio or Sagittarius. This person is patient. Pagdating sa'yo, para kang nagpapahabol. Alam mo, binibigyan mo ng challenge tong taong to. They like you. Yeah, they like you. Yun agad. This person is like patiently waiting. Being balanced. Wala itong gagawing pilit. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. Kung anong tugtog mo, siyang sayaw nito. Yeah. Okay? Some of you, you're open. Pagdating sa communication, you're open. Pero when it comes to love, maybe, or relationship, hindi ka pa open for them, I think. Pero yeah, they know how to respect. Okay? Yung boundaries mo, alam nila yon. Yeah. So, what's their emotion? Feelings? Thoughts? Let's see. The Nine of Swords. Nervous, afraid. The Eight of Pentacles. I-work out niya to. Kahit feeling niya nakakatakot. It's like nakaka-overwhelmed. Pero isi-secure ka ng taong to. Like, Kung kailangan mong magtiwala sa kanya, i-build niya yung tiwala mo muli. Yeah, being the emperor. Paano ka hindi magtitiwala sa isang emperor? Sila yung gumagawa ng rule. Sila yung gumagawa ng kung ano man pagdating sa noong nakaraang panahon. Di po ba? Yeah. Tuturuan ka ng taong to. Ipapakita sa'yo ng taong to na pwede ka muling magtiwala. They will build trust. Bubuuin ka ng taong to, Capricorn. The Sun in reversed. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Tutulungan ka ng taong to mag-heal. Wow! Capricorn, alam mo, kung ikaw ay totally talagang lumalayo dito, hindi ka open for them, sinasabi ko sa'yo na sinasabotahe mo yung magandang connection. I'm not saying na lahat kayo ganito, pero I'm reading this for ilan sa inyo. Okay? But yeah, maganda rin naman na you're putting healthy boundaries. Hindi pag-enter muli sa isang connection if ever. Their next action, let's see. Nine of Cups in reversed. This is, sabihin nating, a strong connection daw, no? Ano tong Nine of Cups in reversed? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Mag-express to talaga ng totoong love, and this is not conditional. Anything. Okay? Walang kapalit. This is unconditional. Hindi ka nito mamahalin dahil meron kang ibinibigay sa kanya. Yeah. They want this. This person is, sabihin nating marunong siyang mag-commit. Marunong siyang tumupad. Well, hindi ko naman ibinebenta sa'yo tong taong to. Pero, yeah, maganda yung nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Kung sino man ite. Okay, some of you, meron kang sabihin nating legal issue, legal background, kung ano man, legal matter sa side mo. Pero, yeah, this person is willing to wait. Yes. Kung anong nasira sa'yo, siya yung magbubuo. Ay! Hey! Yeah! Kung anong nasira, bubuuin niya. Ay, edi ikaw na. Oo. So, pwedeng mangyayari pa lang to. Or pwedeng nangyayari pa lang. This is not past, okay? This is not past. So, let's see. This person loves you unconditionally. Unconditionally. Outcome/advice for your Capricorn. Five of Cups in reverse. Move on. Okay, kung anong kailangan mo ipag-move on mo. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Feeling stuck, alisin nyo yun. Makaka-apekto to. Opo, makaka-apekto yan. See, the Eight of Swords, somebody's feeling stuck. Okay? So, lahat naman ng tao may hangganan. Kung ano man ang meron sa kanya, sabi ko sa'yo, pwede mong masabotahe itong magandang connection na to. Kung hindi mo gagawin yung mga kailangan mong gawin, alisan, mga kailangan alisan. And yes, some of you, ginagawa mo na yon. Okay? Pero, hindi naman sinasabi na gawin mo lang ng gawin yung paglayo. Okay? So, yeah, the Three of Swords, the Hermit in reversed. Anyway, So, yun nga, muli, sabi ko kanina, hindi mo kailangan maging stuck. Okay? Give chance to others. So, diba? Oo. Pero I think, gagawa ng effort tong taong to. Para matuto ka ulit na siguro magtiwala, maging open sa love. Yeah. Hindi ko nakikitang red flag tong taong to. Opo. 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 Okay. So, yun ang aking nakukuha pagdating sa inyo. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Let's see, Aries through Pisces. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Tingnan natin. Anong meron? Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Aries. Taking action. Taurus. They love you. You're their wish fulfillment. Gemini. Hindi ganun ka-focus sa'yo si Gemini. Cancer. Hindi pa rin nakaka-move on from you. Leo, they're passionate. They like you, physically attracted. Virgo, hot and cold. Libra, feeling a strong connection. Scorpio, they love you. Yeah, they want a relationship with you. Sagittarius, incomplete. Feeling incomplete, they're sad. Ayaw nila to, kung ano man ang meron. Kulang, ganyan. Capricorn, a burden. Sabihin natin some of them, meron silang mga ginagawa about healing process. Aquarius, they're in pain. They're hurt. Some of them, merong energy ng third parties involved. Pisces, they're open. Ayaw nila na i-let go ka. Yeah. Pero some of them, they're not ready financially. Pero, yeah. So, there, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung dalawa nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.